Atomy Salon and Color. Salon and Color creates rich colors. Its patented oat-derived formula delivers intense and vibrant colors, while UV-absorbing agents ensure the color lasts longer. A groundbreaking protein gel hair dye that produces vivid colors and strengthens your hair. Salon and Color is nourishing. It delivers triple nourishment to damaged hair, combining the benefits of 5 herbal extracts and botanical oils to promote hair health. Salon and Color is easy. Choose from a wide selection of colors to conceal gray hair or add a touch of glamour. Our kit comes with a comb applicator for easy use and a mildly acidic shampoo and treatment to keep your color looking vibrant for longer. Atomy Salon and Color.